Thanks a lot for staying with Republic TV. I'm Shivani Gupta. A lot of people are coming out on the streets in support of Republic TV and its journalists who have been slapped with an FIR by the Mumbai police. Now, citizens who have joined this movement are also, curiously, being attacked by Mumbai police. When a group of Republic supporters marched in support, Mumbai police blocked them for no apparent reason and even questioned them. We're getting some details of what exactly happened when one such march happened in Mumbai, which was blocked, and then some of the supporters who were walking in solidarity of Republic TV were even questioned by the police. Before we go across to some of the clips that we've accessed, I also want to go across to my colleague Niranjan, who's joining us. Niranjan, tell us more of what happened exactly.
Well, in fact, there was a video that came in yesterday, and we were told, in fact, we thought it was just a solidarity march, but when we looked at the details further in this video, what's also clear, and there are several videos also doing the rounds on social media that show that the police asked these people who they were. This was in the Malad area of Mumbai, Shivani. Now, that's what we've been able to establish from the video itself. These were a bunch of supporters, in fact, viewers of Republic who carried out the solidarity march, who were wearing the T-shirt as well, saying that I support Arnab. In fact, Arnab put out a statement some time back over what had happened. These supporters, now these people were having a peaceful march. This was a peaceful walk. So we'll play out the visuals once again. And you can see that in the visuals, they are peacefully walking for Republic. A peaceful walk for Republic, and they were stopped by the police. And they were asked questions. And they were asked questions of who they were, whether they were affiliated to any group, or why they were walking in the first place. Now, the question that we have is very simple. Is it a crime to walk in Mumbai now? Why is it that Republic TV supporters were stopped and asked questions by the police? As citizens, they are free to walk. In fact, it wasn't even a march. It was a walk by a few citizens. You can see them very clearly. It was a solidarity walk. Yesterday, Arnab also walked from the Bharat Mata cinema to the police station in NM Joshi Marg, and we were all part of that walk. We simply walked to mark our protest over 1,000 journalists facing an FIR. It was a simple walk, and it was live. Now, these citizens who also wanted to show their solidarity in another part of Mumbai, we believe that this came in from Malad. So you can see them clearly in these visuals on the left of your screens walking for Republic. On the right, they were stopped by the police and they were questioned by the police on who they were, whether they were affiliated to any particular group. Now, these are the pictures. Now, simple question, Shivani. Now, they are citizens in a free country. And in a free country, you can walk. And in a free country, you can voice your opinion. The Constitution gives you the freedom of speech and expression. It's a free country. You can move about wherever you want without causing any inconvenience. If you look at the visuals, there are citizens who simply walked and they were stopped and asked questions. So it's bizarre. Now, Arnab also had a statement, and we'll just play out the statement as well, because, you know, we've been receiving tremendous support from across the world in the last few weeks, ever since this fake case was foisted on us, ever since they tried to fix Republic on the 8th of October. Since then, many people have been sending in their videos. You would have seen that the I Am Republic campaign has been trending across social media for several days now. And Arnab issued a statement. He said, "To all those who walked for me and Republic today, I am deeply grateful and overwhelmed. As you all know, the entire state machinery has been deployed against us. But what they cannot stop the citizens from doing is protesting peacefully without breaking the law. Why were citizens questioned for walking in Mumbai? Is walking also a crime? How dare the police ask whether there was a conspiracy behind walking? We can all walk and talk freely anywhere in the country. Right. We will not be restrained or terrorized anymore. This is a free country. In gratitude and with my deepest thanks, Arnab." In fact, there are visual sequences.
Yeah.
I think Mr. Devendra...
Niranjan, it's also to be pointed out here that it's not like... there is any particular reason why a march and a silent and a quiet and a very organized one by a few citizens can be blocked by the police. It's not quite, evident just now what were they trying to ascertain, and why is it that they have a problem when this is happening. I want to just quickly go across to some of the videos that we've accessed. In some of them, there are some voices and that can be heard as well. And it gives a sense of how the questioning was done as far as these supporters of Republic TV is concerned. Let's listen in.
माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। हजार लोगों पे हमने पुलिस वालों ने जो फायर की है और देश का जो भला भोगने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उससे हम आगे के साथ में इसी तरह हमारा तो एक नहीं है। ये हमारा आखिरी पॉइंट था।
Divendra, were you a part of this walk? First of all, thank you for supporting Republic TV, and thank you for showing your solidarity. Tell us what happened. You're live on Republic.
Thank you so much. Good evening to everyone. Actually, it was very unfortunate to know that the few common citizens of the state who went for the not for the protest but to show the solidarity and to show like what was happening in the state. But it was unfortunate that the police stopped them and they called them and asked like from which organization they belong. And in fact, they were from the common citizens. They don't belong to any of the group or any of the organization. But apart from that, it is believed where they went in front of the Malad police station, they went there and they took to another place and take the address and phone number of each and individual. There were several people who were protesting, and it was not a protest. It was just to support the Republic. And the main problem was when they were asked for the number and the address, and the police were constantly telling them and asking their address and phone number. As to why, we don't know. So then what happened is we just had a T-shirt in which the Arnav photo pic was there, and then they constantly who supported you, who funded you. They were constantly asking, despite telling them that nobody has funded. We are the common citizen of the state. They were not ready to accept it. So we did the protest, and it was done very well.
Who funded you?
Rati Hegde, writer, is also joining us over the phone line. So we've got one of these individuals who were part of that walk in solidarity with Republic TV narrating himself and feeling really shocked at the fact that the Mumbai police is very concerned why they're walking for Republic TV. Rati, I want your comments also on the attitude of the Mumbai police.
Yeah, ma'am, it's like this, that it seems that some people have thought that freedom of expression is the Jagir or property of only some people. They are so shocked that the commoners, the common man also has a right to show his support to any entity. Now, this shock is what has translated to the events that just took place, where the police probably were surprised that there are, a set of people who are just trying to show their support for it without having any political backing, or any money flowing in from somewhere, or any favors being done to them. It is, it's a shock right now to these people that actually people want to show their support for honesty or for, someone standing his, opinion so thoroughly and so firmly. That is what has happened. They are shocked, actually.
Absolutely. Rati, thank you so much for speaking to us. I think you've put it very succinctly and very rightly. There is a sense of insecurity, perhaps, as far as the establishment is concerned. But as Rati very rightly said, freedom of speech is not only for some, it is for everyone, and especially the citizens. So when the establishment itself begins to feel like it needs to hinder with that or needs to control who gets to say what, then it becomes a problem. And that's perhaps exactly what citizens in Mumbai are feeling right now as well.
ये पुढे त्याच्या आगे जाओ ये आपल्याकडे जाओ पुढे मित्र अगर हमने कोई घोषणा भी नहीं की के साथ में है ना एक घंटा चले नहीं है सर हम लोग कोई